Hi, I'm Florence Henderson. When I had cataracts, it was like seeing everything through a hazy film. My doctor said cataract surgery would remove the haze, but ordinary cataract replacement lenses wouldn't fully correct my vision. So I chose Crystalens. Crystalens corrected my cataracts and gives my eyes their natural range of vision. Now I can see my phone, street signs, even the GPS in my car.
Some Crystalens patients may experience glare and other visual disturbances. All surgical procedures entail some risk, and Crystalens has the same potential risks as all other intraocular lenses. Many patients hardly, if ever, need glasses after surgery. Only your surgeon can determine if Crystalens is right for you.
If you want your vision to go from this to this, talk to your eye doctor about Crystalens.
Find a specialist at getcrystalens.com. Crystalens by Bausch & Lomb. Don't just see better.